Sometimes there are people that comment on your videos that you just don't want around, and that's what we talk about today. How to block or ban people from your channel. Here we go! Sometimes you can get a video that gets a load of comments, and sometimes it attracts the people that you really want to talk to. Sometimes it attracts a load of spam. So what I'm going to do is tell you how you can ban people from your comment section so you never have to see them again. Okay, so let's say you've got a spammer that you want to get rid of, right? They're spamming their name or they're being annoying and you just generally don't want them in your comment section, right? You can either go to the comment itself and use the little drop down and either report them or hide them from the channel. That's the quickest way and the easiest way. If they're spamming a lot, then I suggest hit the report, or if they're just annoying you, click hide. And they'll be able to comment on your videos, but nobody will see those comments. The second way is by clicking on their username, clicking on their About Us page, and then there's a little flag here which says Report User. You can drop that down. Once again, you can report the user or block the user, and that has the same effect. I believe that even stops them commenting on your channel entirely. You can also do it by going to the comment section on the left hand side of your Creator Studio, and you'll see all of the comments from everybody on all of your videos. And what you do is simply click on one of the flags on the right and you can either report, hide the user, and they'll disappear that way. They will all be added to this community settings page in which you can make people moderators or hide them for being generally spammy, and you can block certain set words should you want them to do it automatically, have them, spam filtered, that kind of thing. But yes, there you go. That's how you ban people, and how you can unban them simply by, clicking the little X next to their name. So that's how you block or ban people from your channel. For more tricks and tips, there's a free PDF up here or in the description down below. Click subscribe for 2 videos each and every week. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted every time I go live. Go out there, start creating.